In healthcare, better communication drives better outcomes. Better patient engagement, better workflow outcomes for care teams, and better financial outcomes for hospitals. Introducing our new patient engagement technology, specifically designed for hospital rooms. This suite of interactive displays improves communication between care teams and patients, relieves overburdened nurses of non-clinical tasks, provides bedside access to real-time patient data, and creates more enriching care experiences. The system integrates seamlessly with existing EMRs and patient care technology. Patient information flows to and from the displays in real time. Our digital whiteboards serve as a centralized hub for caregivers, patients, and their families. Interactive door displays provide care teams with critical patient information in HIPAA-compliant ways. Unit status boards revolutionize the way team members can monitor urgent patient needs. Our education and entertainment screen puts important and engaging content at the fingertips of patients. Better communication, better outcomes. Welcome to a new era in technology-assisted patient care. Call today to schedule your demonstration.